Hey friends, it's Emily from Burlap Kitchen, and we're going to use some more of these slats to make a really cute rustic looking American flag. So I got these at Lowe's. They come in like a roll, and they are with I think I got them in with the cement. So anyways, first thing we're going to do is lay some of them out, and then we're going to cut two down and we're going to glue them into place. This is just going to hold everything together. Once everything is glued in place, I'm going to use some Waverly Antique Wax and a baby wipe, and I'm just going to apply that to the front and backs of my project here. Make sure, when I glued that, I should have glued each slat separately because some of the glue came through on the short pieces, so keep that in mind when you go to do your project. Make sure everything is dry. Next, we're going to use some navy blue, and I'm just going to paint on the little blue square part of the flag. And I'm just using a chip brush because I wanted to give this a really rustic look. Now I'm going to use the color Tuscan red, and I'm going to start to add the red stripes. So we got the red stripes on, and I'm going to make sure this is nice and dry. Now I'm going to use some vintage white, and same thing, I'm using a chip brush for each one of these. And again, sorry, I'm trying to do this voiceover and my dog will not leave me alone. He wants to play. So if you hear a little scuffling in the background, that is Buddy trying to hand me a dirty sock. So now I'm going to take one of the stars from our star pack. I stained it with the Waverly Antique Wax and then dry brushed it. Made sure it was dry, and then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a sand, and I used some of the Dixie Belle Antique Wax just to scuff it up. And I'm going to glue it in place, and this was such a cute, simple craft, and it will be perfect on shelves. Let me know what you think of this and if you plan to give this one a try.